If you want to see more of us, stay tuned.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to come on here and say that, wow, I am rocking the hairstyle today, or this day. This video was recorded last Saturday, and I do apologize. I look really tired and really shaggy, but it was 1:16 in the morning and I wasn't wanting to fix myself up to record a video. This is real life, people. This is how I look on an everyday basis when I'm not going anywhere but staying home. Anyways, and then I also wanted to apologize in advance for all the constant movement on the camera. I do not have a tripod as I'm new to YouTube, so you'll just have to bear with me on this movement. My niece was recording for me while I was doing this cleaning video, and she kept moving the camera. I think sometimes she forgot she was recording. And so, therefore, there's a lot of movement and a lot of random stuff. And so I apologize in advance. Okay people, so here's one of the random areas where showing my other niece who's sleeping, which most people are usually sleeping at 1:16 in the morning, but my niece who's recording is trying to be a trooper and stay up with me while I'm recording this video. Near the end of this video, which, this video is only 14 minutes long, but it took us nearly 35 minutes or 30 minutes to clean this kitchen. Because, you know, not gonna lie, it was pretty disastrous and I needed to organize it because it was kind of cluttered looking. Which, I still feel like it's cluttered looking, but, you know, that's besides the point. Another thing that I should probably point out is I do not live by myself. I am currently living with my parents in their basement. They have a 4-bedroom house with a full basement and a laundry room, 2 bathrooms. So I'm staying with them to try to help them out with some stuff that they can't do themselves, which is quite a bit. Their house is fairly old, needs to be remodeled, redone. Some things that I've always wanted to do for them, but you know, I can't afford it because real life scenario, I'm not rich and I cannot afford it. So, you know, it's always been my dream to fix up their house and to give them a nice place to stay, but you know, maybe, who knows, one day it'll happen. I'm just gonna keep trying to keep at it. So if you see some random old school stuff, it's because it's their house and a lot of this clutter is theirs. And I've been trying to go through it, but, you know, they're kind of not for it. They don't want to part with some of their things. But, you know what, I think this summer they're just gonna have to. Alright, so here's another random clip. I really don't know what was going on right here, but she clearly was emptying water bottles and milk, it looked like. Not sure what she was doing, but I think she eventually realized that she was still recording and finally came back to where I was. So again, I'm sorry about this random clip. You will see a lot of these throughout the rest of the movie. And again, my apologies. Okay, so who else just noticed I called this a movie? I think I called this a movie like twice in this recording, in this video recording for you guys, and well, it's not a movie, it's just a recorded video that needs a lot of TLC. Anyways, just thought I would point that out. Who else hangs up their bags and puts bags upon bags upon bags in a big pile and into another garbage bag to recycle them? I know we do, and I know it's very disappointing. Who else does their dishes by hand? We don't have a dishwasher. I wish they had the dishwasher. In my previous apartment we had one and I loved it. But my mom doesn't have one. So I try to help out and do the dishes as much as I can. And right now I'm scrubbing what appears to be pancake batter off the table. Who else loves my rockin' little bun? My sloppy hairstyle for the evening. Y'all see what I mean about the clutter? We found a random calculator on a kitchen table. I believe my mom does her bookwork and her stuff on this table too. So it's a multi-purpose table. We eat on it. She does her bookwork on the table. She's the secretary for our small church. And the kids do their homework on the table. So this table is kind of like a free-for-all, if you will. I don't know what that last look was about. I must have been clearly annoyed about something, and at this point, I'm just getting super duper tired and just wanting to get off my feet and lay down and relax for the evening. I just felt like it was never, ever going to end. I felt like there was more and more stuff to do. Oh, and here we are at another random clip again. I think right here my niece forgot she was recording because she was trying to hang up a pot. Or a pan, a frying pan. And so she was struggling, but yet showing everything else that was random with it. Anyways, wow. I eventually had to come to the rescue to help her so we could move on with recording what we're supposed to be recording. Oh boy. Again, here we have cluttered counters. I'm still trying to figure out how to, make use of the space, but a little more organized. I'm trying to figure out some sort of system. It's so hard because when I get it all decluttered and figured out, it gets right back to the same way it was before I even decluttered it. It's frustrating. But, hey, I'll get it figured out soon. So here apparently we wanted to show you that all the dishes that we had to do. And then I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the stove. And then, oh look, there's my niece. She does randomly show herself in this little clip. We're going to go ahead and wipe off the stove here and kind of organize a bit. even our stove and their counters by the stove have a lot of clutter. I was trying to figure out how to kind of utilize it and make more space on the counter, if you will. But I was clearly getting frustrated because, well, I was tired and I just wanted to go to bed, but yet I didn't want it to be all cluttered and look messy, like I hadn't really cleaned or done anything at all. So therefore, the frustration was where to put everything. I eventually figured out something so it would look nice, sort of, so I could at least get done with what I wanted to get done with. Okay, y'all, so it was 1:36 a.m. when I finally went to talk about this point. It was exactly a little over 30 minutes later. It did take a long time to get this kitchen done. I was so tired, my feet were hurting. I was just exhausted. See, because before this, we went to the church and cleaned. So I kind of recorded 2 videos in one night on this Saturday, in particular. And a little bit further down here, you're going to see some random boxes. They're from my grandpa. He gave us a lot of things. He had to move to like an assisted living area, kind of to get help to care for himself. I guess maybe just to help him take his meds and some other thing, because he kind of has a hard time seeing, but not to the point where he can't do things for himself or go to places. So he had to move somewhere so somebody can help him at least with that, but yet so he can still be able to do what he wants, if you know what I mean. Anyways, enough of my rambling on and on and on and on. The video is about done, so if you like what you see here, please hit the subscribe button, and if you hit the subscribe button when the bell appears, then YouTube will notify you when I upload a video again. Anyways, thanks for watching.